Yeah, St. Lucians. Greetings, man. Appa get to talk show once again, man. Equal rights and justice are once and all, man. Yeah, man. I see enough progress going on in my country, still, Enough things going on. I see, boy, the under 14 youths, the boys, them man just won a tournament there in a foreign. Yeah, the girls, you lost in the semi-finals. Hard luck, man. But you'll still try your best, All I want to see now is continuation in that progress, Because my country is lack of continuation. You understand? I want to see them under 14 youths that win the tournament in a foreign. I want to see them youths be continued to be developed, Work on their skills and their game tactics, Check them youths for the academics at school, because them youths progressive, man. Them man can go internationally and win a tournament. Them man is potential, them man have, you understand? So I want my government to work on them youths. If they need academies, give them the academies, give them proper coach. Give them education. Make sure them little youths on par in school, you understand? Yeah, the girls too, you understand? Now we work with them youths. Them man make us proud. The girls are make us proud also. 3rd place in the competition. The boys champion. Respect under 14 boys and girls. St. Lucia, I'm letting you know straight. I need continuation in that field with them youths. So when them youths come under 16, they can win the tournament. Under 17, under 18 and senior. You understand? Long time our youths can win something, All what my government worried about is the satisfaction and the fame from them youths when they perform abroad, you understand? If you have a crop of youths that have so much potential, don't let them go astray, man. Them man can develop our country and make us proud, man. Even take us to the World Cup, you understand? So I want them to continue them youths. Big up the coach. The whole staff, you understand? The parents who travel with the youths too. Big up my boy from Viewford, Claude. You don't know Claude. At defense. Hold them there, youth boy. The potential good, you understand? Don't go astray, youth boy. Yeah, man. Learn at school and hold your talent and represent our country, man. We need proud people to represent our country now, man. None of the youths that represent on the senior level, them man even have no pride, Them man just dead because they getting a little travel. You understand? They still are there, though they ain't getting no incentive from the government, As I tell you, the only thing the government like is the praise when the youths go out foreign and do good, you understand? Look, after so many years, Lavin have been champion. Finally, message reaching me that the government have given Lavin a house and land and a vehicle. So, kakute apa, Ouais. So, if you kute moi, man. Big up still, man, Mr. Prime Minister. If that truly happen, that is a blessing, man. I love that, man. You understand? Check on our youths, man, and our athletes. There are other athletes outside there, from poor families. You understand? Sometimes they need a little help, man. Give them the little help they need, Mr. Prime Minister. Put a fund aside, guys, You all can get funds quickly to get yourself out of trouble. In a Salsi matter, Southall is coming to college. Watch how you'll get millions to just give the board to seize the price hike and the fees. Y'all fucking wrong, man. Y'all have money allocated someplace in your treasury, man, for them matters. When things get out on you can get money. And when money is needed, You're skylacking, guys. Put money in the sports, guys. Put money in school for academics or the youths, Rasta. And since I had school there, you see that universal education, 100,000 children get zeros. That is embarrassing, guys. From the time that universal education came through, I know that was bullshit, man. I'm going to 5 points take you to a secondary school, Rasta. In my days, guys, I had to get 116 points to go to Mikud Sek, Rasta. Yeah. 100 points put in you on the side. You understand? And now 15 points in your secondary school. Come and keep other intelligent youths that try and make up an effort to learn behind Rasta. Because when the teacher have to try and get something them children thick-head, more than 3 times the teacher have to be sticking on that same point trying to get it to them man head and them man not catching it, Rasta. And I blame the man and them. What I do in a class, among children I get 100% Gaza, and I get 60-70% Rasta, and I get 15%, and I will keep them children behind. And I even interested in school, Gaza. My mother poor. You understand? I get even interested in school. How can I perform, Gaza? So when they'll make me go through all Form 5. You understand? Because my mother expecting me to do something for her. You know? To move them in poverty. But the max ain't good, Gaza. Let the children bring back the old school, man. Give the children a 7th grade, Rasta. So those who can make it a common entrance, they can go standard 5, standard 6, standard 7, Rasta. They can learn something practical, you understand? Because not all men are free, you know. Not all men have the free brain, Rasta. That man have a little free and a little practical. That man is just practical. That man are just free. That man have enough education, they know he working, but they can't do it on the ground, Rasta. You understand? So work with the youths, man. Y'all in government, man. Lose your heads, man. Where y'all advisors, Rasta? Huh? Y'all advisors, they care about the youth, the future. What they worry about is nowadays thing. Huh? The money, the pay, $8,000 a month as consultant. That's what they worry about. So they ain't worry about what really damaging to the country and what that really matters to the country. The youth matters, Rasta. And I'm to say big up still, man. I see already waiting the view for senior primary school. Long awaited, man. And I hope that finish before September for the youth and them, man. Refurnish school. Desk too. For the children to do their work on. All them old desks and all them old benches, guys. Get rid of them things. Termiting them things already. You understand? Paint up the school nicely, yes, sir. You understand? It was very sad when I heard, well, the school had to be trying to raise funds to renovate themselves, guys, sir. Let's give you all a school, guys, sir. So long, Rasta, you're letting the school mash up there, dilapidated, huh? So what? You don't expect them a donation, man. Fix up the schools, guys, sir. Yeah, man. And I tell you, all them schools, them Babuno schools and them other schools, PI schools and them other schools that are doing good, guys, sir. Turn them schools into technical schools, Rasta. Yeah, man. If you want universal education, those who do good at the convention, send them to technical, guys, sir, secondary schools, Rasta, around the place. Learn a trade. You understand? And let these with the mind go to the real secondary schools, guys, sir. To do something for our country, guys, sir. You want to crumple the country, man. We need brilliant minds for the future. It's not y'all alone not there, guys, sir. Y'all will go. You check it? Y'all will go. Y'all turn will pass. So let's raise brilliant youths, Rasta, for our future to be bright. You understand? What happened? Y'all shame the youth will go do better than y'all. We want youth with good character, guys, discipline. You understand? So in the next 20 years, I know my country alright, guys. In the next 20 years, y'all still want to be in government. Shasta, you still want to be Prime Minister in the next 20 years. Guy, King, y'all still want to run the shit. The youths are there for that, man. Replacement killers. That is what the youths are. To come and hold things better. You understand? And I want too much systematical youths in that government thing, you know. And youths with radical mind, guys, like Che Guevara, Fidel Castro. You understand? You see them mind I want, guys. So no slackness in the country. You in government, you rob money. We sending you to jail, guys, borderline. That's why it is there, guys. That's the kind of youth to run the country, guys. I want youths to come and do it worse, involving bubble and thief our country money. You understand? You want real youths, guys, in government. My youths out there, those interested in being government, don't come on them same line with them, man, Rasta. Come real. You understand? It's reality that brings things forward, man. Equal right and justice, and all. You have money in your party, amongst you in parliament that doing bribery and bubble. I want you to stand and send them into prison, Rasta. Yeah, man. All them bullshit have to stop in St. Lucia, Rasta. Yeah. Real papi show, I tell you, Rasta. Government listen to APA, man. And make things much better for the people in the country, Rasta. You're making people poor. You understand? Enough people is on the physical little watch thing, Rasta. That is why they make themselves poor. They fall in your physical thing. But the spiritual lights, man, on Rasta. Seek Jah first, Rasta. You understand? You're not seeking Jah. You're just seeking well to come in government and just thief the country money, Rasta. Make old deal with old man out there. You understand? Man that not in the benefit for our country. Do but say bagay sa ma dizot for. A wote sa. E do koman sa ma ka dizot la for. And Rasta. The Vieux-Fort Boston. The one by Court. Labry. Sozel, Soufre. Larry Shoes. Grace. OG. Yeah. That is the bus that on that bus stand. The man and them even have a facility for the man and them to pee. You understand? The man and them garbage drums being filled and the garbage truck ain't coming for the garbage on time. Dogs in that, chewing that down. Town council ain't even passing them, clean up the place. They pass when they want. Not even on time. 6 o'clock the bus stop empty. That is the time town council will have to pass and clean up the place. You understand? You're waiting for when 8 o'clock when people are done commuting already. Bus stand pack up already with vehicles for to come and pass broom among people. So c'est pièce mess. Huh? There are no manners, Rasta. Come early, 6 o'clock, clean up the bus stand. And if it's Sadu, if it's you that responsible to come and move rubbish on the fella's bus stand, send your truck regularly, Rasta. Because you can send a truck once a week or twice a week to empty a bin on a bus stand. Bus stand is everyday business running, Gasa. Make that truck pass every other day, Rasta, every day. Go and see what the bus stands have, Gasa. A bus stand is 100 pieces for. So la pizza tout coin, tout. Gasa, chasne, vini ve se bus stand before side. Vini mette facilities by se moun la ou. Ou kopon? Se bus stand, se driver ki ni pride la. Yo kay pay la yo. Ale, dans ti business. Ale mode se moun la souple. Pour servir toilet yo. I paye beaucoup à Rasta. Donc après taxe laisser driver Rasta. Bah c'est nos propres facilities Rasta. C'est non ka di moi vini en les bus stand moi ça te porter pour mouche ou ça chasne. Nan sou pas écouter ça m'a dou là. M'a ni pas laisser bus stand là. Ou comprendre? Et mouche situation c'est non laisser bus stand là ça. Les prix passe il ka monter fort. Et non ka vini pour un bus. Non pas ni personne pour pisser. Non ni parler de l'autombourg, aller me caler dehors, femme ni pour baisser, pisser. Vous comprenez? Bah c'est bus driver facilities. So non ka commute, non ki ka monter descendre chemin ka ça aller servir toilette gars because il loin à sa distance là loin à ça on est pour pisser avant battre ces bus ça pour aller coca aller à fort because distance là loin fort. Et vieux chimé depuis ça ka soukou blada ou ka soukou ka pisser comment? Bah c'est dans place que ça pisser fort. Arrêtez ça en pays ça fort. Ou GP a c'est moun la man. Augmenter bay ça la fort. C'est moun la maison pas wa fort, c'est moun vote bay zora ça. Fait bay c'est moun la fort. And before I go man, and to sympathize with send my deepest condolences to the Asin James family man. Yeah man. My principal man from Mikusek, bigger. I learned a lot from that man, you understand? Is that man that grew me into what I am today, you understand? Is his words and his teachings at school, you understand? That shape up me, man, in my life. I had 5 great years at Mikusek. You understand? As in youths, my schoolmates, Alganon, Virgil, you understand? All that are my schoolmates, all the James family, my teachers still, so I sympathize with you all. That is a brilliant brain that will be missed in the country. You understand? You with you all in spirit, man. That man was a humble man, kind man, and tolerate enough bullshit from upper at school, you understand? If I was an ex-principal, the man sending me home, you know. Yeah. But I seen what article, man. Yeah, man. He saw things of what they were and how it was, man. And handle all situation with precision, man. Yeah, man. Rest in peace, man. Bigger. St. Lucia will miss you, man. Yeah, man, St. Lucia. Equal rights and justice for once and all, man. I passing by, man. I pass stepping out. And Chasney, if you want to be re-elected in this country, you ain't do nothing yet, you know. I feel you have to decriminalize the weed, you know. That is the only chance to make government, you know. Do something big, you know, for our country, you know. You say you go do the causeway, it ain't start yet, that would be a brilliant move for the next election. But you have to do something big, you know. The masses have it well. You ain't produced yet, you know. Roads, health, schools. You ain't passed yet, you know. The Larry Schutz Road by the brewery to Cantonment. That bad, I see all patching the road. That whole road need to be graded, man. And resurface. Do good things, I tell you, Chasney. Your name will come out good. Don't do papi show. Yeah. And St. Jude's, do something in St. Jude's. And that same Larry Schutz Road, St. Jude's Highway there. That's what I'm talking about. Do something in St. Jude's. Open St. Jude's for the people, man. Yeah, man. Do something to get re-elected, man. Re-elected, man. I give you 40%, I give you, you know, Chasney. 40%, you know. That is fail, you know. Bring up your points, you know, Chasney, by me, you know. And just do things for the people, you know. So you can get re-elected, you know. Irie? Respect, man. St. Lucian's home and abroad, man. I get to talk show equal rights and justice for once and all, man. I'd love to see y'all come in, man, visit, man, and invest in the countries, man. Our St. Lucian's abroad, man. I know y'all doing good, man. Irie? Respect, man. Till we meet again.